morning. Can you introduce yourself?
Thank you for this opportunity. And first of all, thank you having my intro. And myself, I am Badri Surya Prakash. Basically, I am from Andhra Pradesh, and coming to present, I am staying in Hyderabad. And coming to my educated details, I completed my graduation in the year of 2019, and I have totally 3 years of experience in software industry. And my skill sets are coming under like in developing sector like Angular, and I have relative experience on software testing. And presently, I am looking for the good opportunity in software testing, and my relative experience in manually I started career in 2 years. Presently I have experience in automation as well in 1 year, and past year and 1 year onwards I can move into automation for my career opportunities and update purpose. And in my manual testing purpose, like I have experience on writing test cases and preparing test scenarios and defect life cycle and attending the all scrum, like we are followed the agile process with Scrum technology. As per my roles and responsibilities, I am attending the daily classes like daily Scrum calls as well, and going to the retrospective meetings and sprint planning meetings as well. And coming to our defect tracking tool, we are using Jira, and we are integrating our like work progress in Jira in to do and in progress and done statuses. And coming to my automation experience, like in my automation experience, I have experience on Selenium tool with Java programming language, and my framework is TestNG framework with POM and hybrid approaches. Like had exposure to Maven as a build management tool, adding dependencies, Jenkins to CI/CD pipelines. And coming to data-driven purpose, we are used Apache Py, and modular-driven purpose design pattern we use page object model, and reporting purpose we use extend reports, and version control tool is GitHub.
Okay, can you explain your project?
Yes, like as my curriculum, I have worked on e-commerce domain and insurance domain and banking sector. And coming to my each sectors, like recent current project is in insurance. So in that project, like it is the project it is online insurance system, and it was dealings about the new insurance policy holders, and it making some payments options, and it making that creating the new accounts and deleting the accounts, and it will provide the good security to the customer, and we can track our statuses, insurance statuses, and as well as we can claim our implement bonuses, and we can secure our life with using this application. And coming to the like my roles and responsibilities in this application, I am the experience, like I am the person who had experience in the good experience in this project. I am dealing with the like as a team lead as well, and in this position, like I making the team motivate themselves to do on time process, and I am motivating to like declaring the user stories to all persons, and I can attending and conducting sometimes scrum calls and giving the reporting to my managers and clients as well. And based on the acquisition purpose, I am involving in manual test cases and test scenarios preparation, and involving to prepare the RTM document, and I am going to create the test scripts for automation and running the automation scripts in automation. Yeah, that's all about my project.
Explain your automation framework.
Yes, as I said in my introduction, we are used Selenium tool with Java programming language. So here we are used build management tool is Maven. So based on like our design pattern is a page object model. So with respect to my framework and page object model purpose, so we declared our project with like separating the test cases package is separate, and web pages package is separate, and utility package is also separate. So here and we use base package as well. So based coming to the packages, it will stores that what the classes following these things. In base package, we are creating the base class. It was deals with the pre-setup things like browser openings, URL openings, and post setups like closing the windows. Now coming to the coming to the pages package. Pages package deals with the all web pages as a classes. Like it will holds the web element locators, and it will it will follow with the methods. It was holds only web element locators, but execution of these web elements we are following the test cases package. In this test cases package, each and every scenario is one test case as a test scenario, and each and every test case is as a method. And as usually we are used the TestNG framework. Each test case method we are following the @test annotation. When we are running the @test annotation, it will running the all test cases simultaneously. And mainly why we are using TestNG means because of cross browsing purpose, parallel testing purpose, and batch execution purpose. and it is easy to run the failed test cases as well. And coming to that, I mentioned that hybrid approach. Hybrid is nothing but a combination of data driven framework and modular driven. As we said, page object model is nothing but a modular driven. Coming to the data driven is nothing but a data getting from the external source, like we can see dot properties file or else Excel sheets. Mainly here Excel sheets we are handling with the Apache Py dependency. And coming to this data driven, we can run multiple test data in a single attempt. And for reporting purpose, we are used separate externally extent reports we are used. Why? Because extent report means it will give good execution report, and as well as it will getting the pass percentage and fail percentage and skip percentage with a good graphical representation. And coming to that version control too. Version control and reviewing purpose, we use Git and GitHub. Git for local repository, GitHub for to version control. And coming to the continuous integration and deployment purpose, we use the Jenkins and CI/CD tool in same GitHub. So this way we are going to through a framework, and we are tracking our, as usually we are tracking our work status in Jira as well in manual. So this is my automation framework.
Thank you. We will meet you in next round.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.